In this video, I'll show you how to issue and redeem gift certificates in the KRISP POS. Let's say a customer wants to buy gift certificates from your store. Gift certificates may or may not have an amount attached to them. If the gift certificate doesn't have an indicated price, you can add an amount upon purchase. But for this example, let's add a gift certificate with an amount. First, find the gift certificate from the hotkeys or use the search bar. Then, for this example, let's add a customer to the cart. Click Proceed to Pay and pay for the item. Before clicking Done, you'll see that under the item is the gift certificate ID. This is the ID that will be used when redeeming a gift certificate. You can also find this ID in the buyer's customer dashboard. Now let's say their friend wants to use the gift certificate to pay for their items. To use the GC, click on Proceed to Pay. Make sure that the gift certificate is selected, and then click Add Payment. You will see a pop-up appear asking for the certificate ID. You can either scan the barcode or manually input the ID. Then click Submit. A new pop-up will appear displaying the item, expire date for the certificate, purchase amount, and available amount to apply. Then click Add Payment. Now, since the gift certificate didn't cover the price of the item, we will do a split payment. Let's say the customer is paying the remaining amount in cash. Just click Cash, Add Payment, and then click Done. And that's how you issue and redeem gift certificates. And that's it for this video. Feel free to visit our website in the description for more information.